Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the latest method to recover your Telegram account without needing an email or even a password. If you've ever lost access and thought it was impossible, stick around because this trick actually works using only your phone number. So here's the key thing you need to understand. Telegram doesn't store your email and it doesn't use a traditional password. Instead, your account is tied entirely to your phone number. That means all authentication relies on a one-time code sent via SMS or directly to your Telegram app. Here's how to recover your account step by step. Open Telegram on your device, tap log in and enter your registered phone number. Hit the arrow to proceed. Next, you'll be asked how you want to receive your verification code. You can choose send code to Telegram appy if you still have it installed on another device, or receive it via SMS. If the code appears automatically in the app, great. But if it doesn't, simply tap didn't get the code and manually type in the numeric code you receive. Once the correct code is entered, you'll be logged in instantly. That's it. No email, no password, just your phone number. It's straightforward, secure, and the fastest way to get back into your Telegram account. And there you will have it. Regaining access to your Telegram account is easier than you thought. If this video helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and updates. Stay connected, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.